Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So, on this occasion, my friends and I will present the result of our small project. But before we start, let me introduce the members of our group. So, the first member is Mokhamad Indra Ridwan. The second member is Taufan Adiguna. And the third member is me, Reyhan Rizanty. So, in the previous week, our lecturer, Dr. Dirman, gave a group assignment to make a project on the operation of the MatLab. Transfer function as follows. We have k multiply s plus 2 per s multiply s plus 5, where k is 100, and then we will calculate from the transfer function. So the first question is we have to sketch the corresponding magnitude and fast asymptotic Bode plot by hand using semi-log paper. So in this question, we have to calculate the transfer function manually in the paper. So as we can see, we have the equation GS his S equal to K multiply S plus 2 per S multiply S plus 5, where is K is 100. So we have to change the S with the G omega. So we have G omega, his G omega equal to 2K multiply with G omega per 2 plus 1 per 5G omega multiply with G omega per 5 plus 1, and we have the result. The pulse and the break frequency, we can find the magnitude and the phase asymptotic. The break frequency is 1, 2, and 5. When the break frequency is 1, the frequency is 0.1. And when the break frequency is 5, the frequency is 100. We have 3 poles. The first pulse is -1, the second pulse is -2, and the third pulse is -5. As we can see, we have to calculate to find the magnitude with the following equation. We have the m, which is m is magnitude 411.7, and we have to calculate the dB with the equation 20 log 411.7. We have the starting point in the zero, start pole at 0, we have 52.29. Next, we find the other starting point in the other poles, like the poles at -1, we have 33.797, and poles -2, we find 29.11, and the poles -5, we find the starting point is 22.92. Next, Taufan Adiguna.
So this is the table of slope contribution from each pole and 0 manually. As you can see, it start pole at 0, -1, -2, and -5. Exactly, we have recognized the result. The result is going strolling down from 52.29 until 22.92 in start pole at -5. And then start pole at -1, -2, -5, -1, -2, -1. As you can see, the result is strolling down again. So this table is telling us about the result is going down if the starting pole more secara bertambah, seperti itu dalam bahasa Indonesia. Okay, next. This is the result of plotting manually in magnitude and the phase.
This is a plot and verify that the result correspond to asymptote plot. And plot MATLAB. and this is source code of simulation. This time I will explain into MATLAB. We can get this code and click run result. And minus x base. We can obtain for this star pole one 0 pole at minus 5. Star pole 5 get 3 T 2.8 and we can get 28.4 and 25.7. We can get this result from this result. So like this. Comment on gain margin and base margin. So previously we can get an base margin. So determine the system stable can get this source code. It can work of analyze the system stable or unstable. So this source code we can get, and this base and gain margin, and this is result of the gain margin and base margin. So we can get one stable, egg stable, and this system a gain margin and base margin is positive. Gain margin and base to be positive. The gain margin is infinity, the base margin is it, and the other words closed loop system of this function transfer runs stable. It's all of me and the other my friends. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.